Quick quiz. How many times did you open your banking app last week, only to close it faster than a horror movie door?
Nope.
Don't feel bad. 73% of people admit money stress keeps them up at night. But here's the twist nobody told you. With one sheet of paper and 3 colored pens, you can calm that stress in under 5 minutes. Sound too good to be true? Stick around. Your future self already grabbed popcorn. Hey, Stickly Squad. I'm Danny, your doodle-loving guide to pain-free personal finance. Today we're slicing through budgeting confusion with a butter knife because it's softer, friendlier, and honestly more our vibe. Inside these boxes are tiny moves that rescue paychecks from the where did it go abyss. Ready to peek? 1. Spotlight your cash, a 60-second reality check that won't roast you. 2. The 3-bucket flip, needs, goals, fun, the no math sorting hat for money. 3. Autopilot magic, one tap that keeps the plan humming while you nap. Curious which bucket usually gets the biggest cheer? You might be surprised, and no, it's not lattes. Step 1. Spotlight your cash. Grab a sticky note, write last month's take home at the top. Beneath it, list the big 4 bills: rent, food, transport, phone. Total? Great. That's 60 seconds. No spreadsheets, no migraines. Who knew clarity could be this quick? Step 2. The 3-bucket flip. Now picture 3 buckets. Needs 60%. Keep the lights and Wi-Fi on. Goals 30%. Future, you wants a high 5. Think savings or debt sleigh. Fun 10%. Guilt-free Taco Tuesdays because joy fuels discipline. Why these numbers? They're easy to remember. Bend with any income and still leave room for life's spicier salsa. Wondering what happens when bills eat more than 60%? Hang tight. We'll tackle that curveball in the bonus tip. Step 3. Autopilot magic. Watch this. I'm opening my banking app, setting 2 automatic transfers, 30% to my dream fund, 10% to weekend wonders. Done in 45 seconds. Future me is officially on cruise control, and current me gets to binge cat videos worry-free. See? Budgeting isn't a calculus exam. It's Lego blocks for your money. Want the printable 3-bucket cheat sheet? Tap the link below, drop a like if your stress level just dropped, and tell me in the comments which bucket needs the most love right now. Subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. Until then, keep things stick-tastic.